Welcome back. Continuing the news. In this evening's edition of the Health Report, Shamela Pullen looks at whiplash.
Whiplash is a common injury to the neck, commonly caused by car accidents.
It's the force of generally being struck from behind and the head, which is heavier than the neck, flying forward and then coming backwards again. And what it actually does is cause microscopic tears in the ligaments of the spine. And the ligaments, think of them as duct tape that hold the bones of the spine together. And when those ligaments partially tear, it sets up a process that develops over time into spinal degeneration.
Symptoms of whiplash usually include neck pain and stiffness, headaches and dizziness, trouble sleeping, memory problems, and depression. Most people who have whiplash feel better within a few weeks, but some people have pain for years after the injury.
Probably the most serious problem you're going to have from whiplash, because remember there are 5 major nerves that come out of the neck, and they control the function of all the muscle groups in the arm. And so over time, as the spine starts to break down in these untreated cases, you start to get neurological symptoms into the shoulder and down the arms, and sometimes all the way to the fingers in the form of numbness or tingling or cramping. And these are the advanced stages of what happens when whiplash is untreated shortly after it happens.
The goal in treating whiplash is to control the pain, restore range of motion in your neck, and get the person back into his or her regular activities.
Well, we can do x-rays, which is going to show the damage, but what we do, our primary testing is to palpate the cervical spine, the neck, and see where the misalignments are. And then we lay the patient on a chiropractic adjusting table and gently shift those misaligned vertebrae back into place.
Affected persons are encouraged to rest, wear a neck brace, and maintain good posture. With your health report, I'm Shamela Pullen wishing you good health.